Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I bring to you another northeastern delicacy, fish wrapped in banana leaf. Fish wrapped in banana leaf is a universal recipe across all cultures, and so is this recipe from Northeast India. The recipe is simple and fresh. The banana leaf adds a beautiful, unique flavor and enhances the overall taste of the dish. The ingredients required for this steamed fish are small fish, freshly chopped green chilies, grated ginger, mustard oil, turmeric powder, freshly chopped coriander leaves, lime or lemon, and salt. Now let's start cooking. First of all, take the small fish in a bowl, then add a pinch of turmeric powder, salt as per taste, grated ginger, green chilies, coriander leaves, half a juice of lime or lemon, and very little mustard oil. Gently mix them with your hands and let it marinate for 5 minutes. Now take your clean banana leaf and pass the leaf over low flame to make it pliable. Put the fish along with the mixed ingredients on the banana leaf and pack them into a parcel. Secure the parcel with a string. Place the parcel on a steam and let it cook for 15 minutes. Open the parcel and our yummy fish recipe is ready. The freshness of the ingredients along with the gentle pungent mustard oil have filled this dish with deliciousness. The fish is perfectly cooked and the aroma is to die for. I wish you were here. However, you can always give it a try and do share your thoughts in the comments. Until then, see you soon.